Thank you for your interest in our current out position. So in this following video, we're going to show you how to go ahead and create your account and complete your application in order to be an eligible candidate. So please watch this video till the end so you go ahead and complete this correctly, okay? So you're simply going to go to this main page right here, and you're going to go ahead and click on that Get Started button here, okay? And you're going to simply answer these following questions, okay? Answer them truthfully, whatever fits you, and you're going to continue to answer them, okay, until you reach the final question. Okay, answer. This is just as a test, okay? And so it's going to tell you on top right here, you're going to wait till it loads. And then after that happens, you're going to go ahead and create your account. Now, this is very important, okay? You're going to go ahead and create your account with your first name, the best contact email that you have, and your telephone number. All right, and you're going to go ahead and click on this button right here. You need to be at least 18 years or older, and then just create your free account. Now this is very important because here you'll be able to manage your application. You're going to be able to manage a lot more with this account. So this is very important that you submit your your legitimate information on here, and once you do that, you'll be set. You'll be getting a call from one of our hiring managers, and they'll be discussing with you more details about this position. And there you go. So hope you guys have a great day.